When the skies turned orange and the people of Los Angeles braced for the worst, a heroic fleet of machines rolled into action to battle the devastating wildfires of 2025. Have you ever wondered what it takes to combat a natural disaster of this magnitude? Today, we'll take you behind the scenes to explore the incredible vehicles that played a crucial role in saving lives and landscapes. Let's dive in. In January 2025, Los Angeles faced one of the most catastrophic wildfire seasons in its history. The Palisades Fire and Eaton Fire burned through thousands of acres, destroying homes, claiming lives, and leaving economic damages in the billions. Over 12,000 structures were reduced to ashes, and evacuation orders impacted over 88,000 residents. With relentless high winds and dry conditions fueling the inferno, the Los Angeles Fire Department, LAFD, and other agencies deployed state-of-the-art vehicles and equipment to combat the flames. Today we'll delve into the powerful machines that were the frontline warriors against these destructive fires. Fire engines, the backbone of firefighting. First up, let's talk about fire engines, the backbone of any firefighting operation. The LAFD uses two main types: triple combination engines, triples. These versatile vehicles are true multitaskers. They can pump water, carry hoses, and store a water tank, making them essential for combating fires in urban and suburban areas. Imagine a vehicle that's a hydrant, hose, and pump all rolled into one. That's the triple combination engine for you. Aerial ladder fire engines, truck companies. These giants are equipped with extendable ladders that can reach high-rise buildings. In wildfires, they're used to access rooftops, clear debris, and even douse flames from above. Often working alongside standard engines, these trucks ensure the fire's spread is minimized from all angles. Rescue trucks, specialized lifesavers. Now let's move on to rescue trucks. When the fire's threat goes beyond flames to include technical challenges, these vehicles step in. Heavy rescue trucks. These are used for technical rescues, such as swift water rescues during flooding caused by fire suppression efforts, rope rescues in difficult terrains, and confined space rescues for victims trapped in dangerous environments. Rescue ambulances. Often staffed by paramedics or emergency medical technicians, these ambulances provide rapid medical attention to firefighters and civilians injured during the operations. Their role is critical in ensuring that no life is lost due to delayed medical care. Helicopters, eyes and hands in the sky. When fighting a fire on the ground isn't enough, the LAFD takes to the skies. Helicopters are indispensable for tackling wildfires in rugged terrains and remote areas. Here are the stars of the fleet: Sikorsky S-70A/S-70I Firehawks. These powerful helicopters are equipped with tanks that can carry up to 1,000 gallons of water or fire retardant. They hover over hotspots and release their payloads with precision, often making the difference between a controlled burn and a wildfire spreading out of control. Bell 412. Helicopters, operated by LAFD's Air Operations Section. These helicopters are designed for versatility, from transporting personnel to evacuating residents and delivering equipment. They are the Swiss Army knives of aerial firefighting. Bulldozers and support vehicles. The ground game. No firefighting effort is complete without heavy machinery like bulldozers. These machines create fire breaks by clearing vegetation and debris, stopping the fire from spreading further. Support vehicles, including water tenders and fuel trucks, ensure that the firefighting teams stay equipped and operational around the clock. Drones, the future of firefighting. In recent years, technology has revolutionized firefighting, and drones have become a vital tool. Equipped with infrared cameras, drones provide real-time data on the fire's progression, identifying hotspots and guiding ground and aerial teams to the most critical areas. They're silent, efficient, and can reach places no human or vehicle can. coordination and communication vehicles. In the chaos of a wildfire, coordination is key. Mobile command centers equipped with advanced communication systems ensure seamless coordination among firefighting teams, emergency responders, and evacuation crews. These vehicles act as nerve centers, directing resources where they're needed most. From fire engines and helicopters to drones and bulldozers, each vehicle plays a vital role in combating the fury of wildfires. The 2025 Los Angeles wildfires have shown us the importance of investing in advanced technology and skilled personnel to protect lives and property. Next time you see a fire engine racing down the street or a helicopter soaring above, take a moment to appreciate the incredible work they do to keep us safe. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of emergency response and beyond. Together, we can raise awareness and support our heroes in their fight against natural disasters. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay informed, and remember, behind every hero is a fleet of powerful machines making miracles happen. Until next time, take care.